Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986, work experience above 30 years. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution activities, project and plan related. Today I discuss how to navigate contract documents in civil engineering projects. How to navigate contract documents in civil engineering projects. How to navigate contract documents in civil engineering projects. Contract documents are the legal and technical backbone of any civil engineering project. Knowing how to read and interpret them correctly helps avoid disputes, delays, cost overruns, and quality issues. Below is a clear practical guide to navigating contract documents effectively, especially useful for site engineers, planning engineers, and fresh graduates. Contract documents are the legal and technical backbone of any civil engineering project. Knowing how to read and interpret interpret them correctly helps avoid disputes, delays, cost overruns, and quality issues. Below is a clear practical guide to navigating contract documents effectively, especially useful for site engineers, planning engineers, and fresh graduates. Number one, understand what contract documents are. Understand what contract documents are. Contract documents define what is to be built, how it will be built, when it will be built, and how much it will cost. They form a legally binding agreement between the client and the contractor. Contract documents define what is to be built, how it will be built, when it will be built, and how much it will cost. They form a legally binding agreement between the client and the contractor. Common contract documents include contract agreement, general condition of contract GCC, special condition of contract SCC, drawing, technical specification, bill of quantity BOQ, tender document, addenda and amendments. Common contract documents include contract agreement, general condition of contract GCC, special condition of contract SCC, drawings, technical specification, bill of quantity BOQ, tender document, addenda and amendments. Now this is the sketch. You all follow this. This is the sketch. You follow this. Building statement material, bid solution, introduction to bidder, intervention available to bidders, bid form and supplement, contract form, agreement, performance bond, payment bond, and guarantee. Contract form, agreement, performance bond, payment bond, guarantee, certificate. General condition of contract, general condition and supplementary condition, general condition and supplementary condition. Specification, general requirement, site construction, concrete, masonry, metals, wood and plastic, thermal and moisture protection, doors and windows, finishes, equipment, purchases, special construction, covering system, mechanical, electrical, contract drawings, present drawing. Now this is the drawing. You are follow this. Construction contract, the agreement, general condition, special condition, scope of work, drawing, specification, bill of quantities, construction schedule of values. Construction contract, the agreement, general condition, special condition, scope of work, drawing, specification, bill of quantities, construction schedule of values. Contractor or QS detail, owner of BOQ, bill of quantity. Contractor or QS details, owner of BOQ. Page of BOQ, 1 of 1, and the section of work, external work. Page of BOQ, 1 of 1, and section of work, external work. Item description, quantity, unit, rate, total. Item description, quantity, unit, rate, total. Block work, dense aggregate block work, 7 Newton per millimeter square, 140 millimeter solid concrete dense aggregate blocks in cement mortar 1:3 as skin of hollow wall in cement mortar 1:3. Quantity 130 unit meter square. Rate 57.5, total 7,475. Block work, dense aggregate block work, 7 Newton per millimeter square, 140 millimeter solid concrete dense aggregate blocks in cement mortar 1:3 as skin of hollow wall in cement mortar 1:3 proportion. Quantity 130 unit meter square. Rate 57.5 per meter square. Total 7,475. Brickwork, facing brickwork, half brick thick, pointed as the work proceeds. Laying stretch bond one side in gauges mortar 1:1:6. Brickwork, facing brickwork, half brick thick, pointed as the work proceeds. Laying stretcher bond one side in gauges mortar 1:1:6. Quantity 130 unit meter square. Rate 113.45 per meter square. 113.45 per meter square. Total 14,748.50. 14,748.50. Cavities. Form cavity in hollow wall with stainless steel vertical twist ties 4 per square meter. Form cavity in hollow wall with stainless steel vertical twist ties 4 per meter square. 130 quantity unit meter square. Rate 3.75. Total 487.50. Closed cavity at end, jamb or seal of hollow wall with thermometed 150 millimeter wide in gauge mortar 1:1:6. Closed cavity at end, jamb or seal of hollow wall with thermometed 150 millimeter wide in gauge motor 1:1:6, quantity 32 unit meter, quantity 32 unit meter, rate 10, total 320, total collection 23,031, 23,031. This is the sketch. This is the format. Number 2, learn the hierarchy of contract documents. Learn the hierarchy of contract documents. When conflicts arise between documents, priority order matters typically may vary by contract. Number 1, contract agreement. Number 2, letter of acceptance, work order. Number 3, special condition of contract, SCC. Number 4, general condition of contract, GCC. Number 5, technical specification. Number 6, drawings. Number 7, bill of quantity, BOQ. Tip, always check the hierarchy clause in your specific contract. Number 2, learn the hierarchy of contract document. Hierarchy of contract document. When conflicts arise between documents, priority order matters typically may vary by contract. When conflicts arise between documents, priority order matters typically may vary by contract. Number 1, contract agreement. Contract agreement. Number 2, letter of acceptance. Letter of acceptance, work order. Number 3, special condition of contract, SCC. Special condition of contract, SCC. Number 4, general condition of contract, GCC. General condition of contract, GCC. Number 5, technical specification. Technical specification. Number 6, drawings. Number 7, bill of quantity, BOQ. Bill of quantity, BOQ. Tip, always check the hierarchy clause in your specific contract. Always check the hierarchy clause in your specific contract. Number 3, start with the contract agreement. Start with the contract agreement. This document confirms project name and scope. This document confirms project name and scope, contract value, start date and completion period, parties involved. Read this first to understand the big picture before diving into details. Number 3, start with the contract agreement. Start with the contract agreement. This document confirms project name and scope. Project name and scope, contract value, start date and completion period. Start date and completion period, parties involved. Read the first to understand the big picture before diving into detail. Read this first to understand the big picture before diving into detail. Number 4, study condition of contract carefully. Study condition of contract carefully. General condition, GCC. General condition, GCC. Payment terms, time extension, liquidated damages, dispute resolution, termination clauses. Study condition of contract carefully. General condition, GCC. Payment terms, time extension, liquidated damages, dispute resolution, termination clauses. Special condition, SCC. Project specific rules, modified clauses from GCC. modified clauses from GCC, general condition of contract, local laws and site condition, local laws and site condition. Many engineers ignore SCC. This often lead to costly mistakes. Many engineers ignore SCC, special condition of contract. This often leads to costly mistakes. Special condition SCC, project specific rules, modified clauses from GCC, general condition contract, local laws and site conditions. Many engineers ignore SCC, special condition contract. This often leads to costly mistakes. Number 5, read drawing the smart way. Read drawings the smart way. Do not look at drawings in isolation. Do not look at drawings in isolation. Cross check. Architectural versus structural drawings. Architectural versus structural drawings. Drawings notes versus specification. Drawings notes versus specification. Latest revision numbers. If drawing conflict, written specifications usually prevail. If drawings conflict, written specifications usually prevail. Number 5, read drawings the smart way. Read drawings the smart way. Do not look at drawings in isolation. Do not look at drawings in isolation. Cross check. Architectural versus structural drawings. Architectural versus structural drawings. Drawing notes versus specification. Drawing notes versus specification. Latest revision numbers. If drawings conflict, written specification usually prevail. If drawings conflict, written specifications usually prevail. Number 6, understand technical specification. Understand technical specifications. Specification explains material quality, workmanship standard, testing requirements, codes and standards to follow. Always link specification with BOQ items and drawings, bill of quantity items and drawings. Always link specification with BOQ items and drawings. Understand technical specification. Number 6, understand technical specification. Specification explains material quality, workmanship standards, testing requirements, codes and standards to follow. Always link specification with BOQ items and drawings. Number 7, analyze the bill of quantity, BOQ. BOQ helps you understand item description, quantity measurement rules, payment basis. Important, BOQ is not a design document. Quantity errors do not excuse poor execution. Number 7, analyze the bill of quantity, BOQ. Bill of quantity helps you understand. Item description, quantity measurement rules, payment basis. Important, BOQ, bill of quantity is not a design document. Quantity errors do not excuse poor execution. Number 8, track addenda, amendments and clarification. During tendering or execution. Addenda modify original documents. Site instructions change scope. Engineer's instruction must be documented. Maintain a contact document register to track updates. Maintain a contact document register to track updates. Number 8. Track addenda amendment clarification. Track addenda. Track addenda amendments clarification and clarification. During tendering or execution. Addenda modify original document. Site instruction change scope. Engineer's instruction must be documented. Maintain a contact document register to track updates. Number 9. Always document interruption. Always document interpretation. Always document interpretation. If something is unclear, raise a request for information, RFI. Get written clarification. Never rely on verbal instruction. Verbal order dispute risks. Number 9. Always document interpretation. If something is unclear, raise a request for information, RFI. Get written clarification. Never rely on verbal instruction. Verbal order dispute risks. Number 10. Develop a daily habit with contact document. To master contact navigation, keep printed and digital copies. Use bookmarks or color coding. Refer to clauses before decision. Discuss clauses in site meetings. Number 10. Develop a daily habit with contact document. To master contact navigation, keep printed and digital copies. Use bookmarks or color coding. Refer to clauses before decision. Discuss clauses in site meeting. Final advice for civil engineers. All civil engineers. Good engineers build structures. Smart engineers protect projects using contact knowledge. Final advice for all civil engineers. Good engineers build structures. Smart engineers protect projects using contact knowledge. If you want, I can also help you with contact document checklist for site engineers. Common contract clauses explained in simple terms. Real life disputes, examples, and how contract resolve them. Just tell me. If you want, I can also help you with contact document checklist for site engineers. Common contract clauses explained in simple terms. Real life disputes, examples, and how contracts resolve them. Just Tell me, just tell me. Next video I discuss how to navigate the business environment in 2025. How to navigate the business environment in 2025. Next video I discuss how to navigate the business environment in 2025. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না, পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন, দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন এবং শিখতে পারবেন। এবং বেশি বেশি সংখ্যায় শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার এই ভিডিওগুলো থেকে উপকৃত হয়। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশান বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনার কাছে নোটিফিকেশান পৌঁছে যাবে। নোটিফিকেশান বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশান পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।